Morning, every day 141 of day trading. Stock market opened with a small cash account. Again, webcam's all janky. I'm regretting moving my trading laptop to the office because apparently I'm not at the office, the actual office, too often. Oh, it is what it is. Let's see what the stock market has in store for us today. Are we gonna find some hyper scalps today or what? BTBD entered into a definitive agreement with Arrow Velocity. Okay. It's up $113,000. Sellers there at 395, 396, 394. Sellers are walking that down a few cents. Sellers are walking it down, 93, 92. These sellers are just walking it down. See if we get a flush down the VWAP here. 368. Big sellers. Big sellers. Big sellers. Nice trade. Beautiful trade. Saw the sellers get eaten in green on the tape and hopped in. It wasn't a VWAP bounce, but I guess that'd be considered a micro pullback. A little pullback inside the same candle. Very nice. What else we got moving? We have STI over here. It's a little pricey. What's the news on STI anyways? No new news on STI. A little bit closer to a VWAP bounce there. Oh man. I almost beautifully bottom ticked that, didn't I? Sweet. Nice trade. Nice trade. Start off the day. See if it gets through 4. At least this through 4. 4 gonna hold. 4 is gonna hold for now. Let's see. 405 on the bid. 405 on the bid. 407 on the bid. Some sellers out there at like 409, 410. Some sellers here. Sellers walking it down again. There it goes. That's so interesting. Fascinating. I don't think I've seen that in, or at least since I've been like that. How exactly that played out, I don't think I've seen that on level 2 before. VWAP area underneath. Maybe we get a bear trap. That's too close to VWAP for me for a bear trap there. STI. Let's flip the scans. Flip the chair, get a technical. PDM, STI, SMU's only 16%. Never mind. Never mind. Hold down 311 for BTBD if it gets a little too crazy there. And for now, oh, IPDN on the halt up. IPDN. Welcome back, IPDN. Like the gift that just keeps on giving. Over yearly highs is going to be 1120. See what this stock does today. What's the stock's going to do today? Stock market. Rejection off of EMA on the BTBD stock. IPDN should open at 9:38 and 12 seconds. It has the open right at the halt up, so you know that's not great. Maybe we catch a flush down. Uh-oh. BTBD. You're struggling over here. STI is super wiki. Alright, IPDN. Back over VWAP. Is she going to go this time? Are you going to be able to clear EMA? EMA 383. 68. Low volume on these green candles. Alright, trying for EMA there. Small buyers, 382. She's gonna get a curl. 91, 91, 93, 94, 93. Sellers. Still weak volume on that candle. I wonder if bulls are gonna get faked out here. Sellers 392. Bulls gonna get faked. Bulls gonna get faked. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. New minute. Candle close green. Still fighting the good fight. Still needs to clear 4. MACD is starting to curl though. Small buyers 390. Those buyers got eaten quick. AIHS 77%. Okay, AIHS. Your high was 442. AIHS. You got news AIHS? No? Why would you? How much volume does it have? I already missed that. First pullback to EMA was beautiful. Look at that. 4 would have to hold. Speaking of 4, BTBD, rejection from 4. BTBD through 4, let's go, hold the line. Hold the line. Oh, back to 401, hold it. Rip it. Rip it. Punish the shorts here. There you go. Nice little small short squeeze there. From 4 to 435. Take out the highs and we are in business. The shorts that were walking the stock down might be in trouble. 1 minute to make a new high. AIHS. Oop, fake out. Where's the cursor? Dang, I missed it. Missed the VWAP bounce. I couldn't find that. Couldn't find the cursor. I wish I could tab. Can I tab? No, cannot tab on Dash Trader. That would have been cool if I could just tab and then came right over to this window, but no. Okay, what's next? Oh, BTBD, all-time highs 560, which was yesterday? Did I trade this stock yesterday? I have no clue what stocks I traded yesterday. No, that wasn't yesterday. That was last month. That was last month. Looking at the wrong chart. That was last month. And I did trade it this month. Get 50. Get 50. Ooh, sellers held that line at 50. Now the green volume's looking nice. Pull back here. Well, let's see if we flag. Let's see if we wedge. Let's see if we do something. Nice trades. AIHS. I missed it again. I'm missing AIHS every single trade here. Missed a VWAP break. Bounce and missed a breakout. Okay, bears are back in charge here, BTBD. AIHS, what's up with that candle? Day moving average at like 570 for AIHS. Sellers are back. Small sellers. Let's see if they try to walk it down again. Now walk it out. Whoa. Pretty gross. Pretty gross flush there. New minute. While AIHS pushes the new highs, we got BTBD just struggling to stay above VWAP over here. It's gonna get back over 4. Might be some tough trading if it tries for a while. Little mini front side didn't last very long. $186.5. I want to get through 5 there, AIHS. There's 5. 503. Oh, 505 it touched. Ping-ponging with 5. This is above the upper band of VWAP, which is interesting. Is this going to go nutty? Small win on the dip. I didn't get in low enough, so I cut it pretty soon. I felt like I got in pretty high. Small buyers, 485. Nope, those buyers didn't last. Oh, slept on my neck funny last night. It's like I gotta like turn like a robot to look at some of these screens. It'll be alright. Is BTBD gonna set up a little W pattern here? Alright, get through 5 AIHS. Get through 505 actually. Okay. See what IPDN did after the halt up. Oh, dip and rips were absolutely in play for IPDN. It was halted here. Just halted up again. Oh, BTBD. BTBD, I lied. Go back. Go back. I like the setup anyways better. On AIHS, I like this setup better. Creating a little bit of a flat top here, up here by 505. A little rising wedge situation. Peek at the little triangle there, a little flag, a little panic, whatever you want to call it. Don't care as long as it breaks out and not down. Got cooked here. Get out. Got cooked on that fake breakout through 5. I don't want to say cooked, but $2 loss. Beautiful cut. Beautiful. I feel like I'm locked in. I'm dialed. That's a beautiful exit. Buddy is dialed. Let's get these trades out of the way. Four, 3, 2, 1. New minute. Wah wah. And it died. Something needs to get a move on. AIHS is tape speeding up here. Are we gonna try this again? Maybe we just use EMA as the L area. These wicks are getting eaten up. Rejected off of 5, through 5, under 5. Ping ponging, ping ponging. Is it gonna hold 5? Under 5, under 5. Cursor's in the way. I missed it. Missed it. It's okay. It's alright. No harm, no foul, no harm, no foul. Let's look for the next setup. Still going. 524, 530, 31, 32. IPDN has hardly any sell volume on this thing. Like on the red candles, I mean. She goes. Whoa, 20-cent spread. No thank you. Hands off the keys. No thank you. I will not be playing those love games. Sorry. Let's go back to BTBD. Oh, missed the VWAP bounce. BTBD. The VWAP bounce. And is she gonna take off? Nice buying volume. 578 now. 585 AIHS. Very nice move. We got to that 100-day moving average with not a lot of problems. Gotta wait for a clean pullback here. This is again over the upper band here. This could get wild. This could get wild and crazy. Top that 58. There's 6. There's 602, 603. Ooh, halt up at 616. Halt up moved up to... Let's see if... I'm gonna see if 6 holds. Good trade. Very nice, very nice. It's gonna get kind of... This is feeling a little parabolic-y, huh? Our curve is starting to look a little parabolic-y. A little parabola. Locked in. It was a quick lock in on that halt too. Let's go. Let's see what the world gives us. Okay. I'm slowly going to be adding more to this account like I did last month. This is the beginning of the month. I'm going to do it again. Having more trades has definitely benefited me. You know, able to take more setups and not kind of guess which ones are going to go. If it doesn't go, I cut it. If it goes, sweet. So able to take more attempts has been very helpful for this strategy that I'm trying to work with. So as the account gets a little bit larger, the size will get a little bit larger as well, as long as the mental stays tough. We'll see. Just kind of taking it one day at a time. This is my journey. Maybe it's not fast enough for some people, but it is the route I'm taking. BTBD is still holding VWAP pretty well. And I'm still yawning regardless of account size. Sir yawns a lot back in the house. What we got? Got another minute until the open here on AIHS. AIHS, you have the 200-day moving average now at 650. But if you clear 7, you have a, no. If you clear 7, you got a gap to 9. Okay. Don't have to take this trade. I don't have to take this. I gotta remind myself I don't have to take this. But let's see if the dip and rip does something a little crazy, We're above the upper band, so, I mean, kind of gotta throw the bands out of the window at this point. BTBD. She finally gonna take a submarine down or what? Alright, let's see what the stock gives us today. See if we can snag any more hyper scalps. Oh no, now we got a minute. No, now we have 56 seconds. Hyper scalp in the stock market, baby. Okay. $636. $636 previous high. Four, three, two, one. Green there. Green there. Yeah. Missed it a little bit, but that was in the 30s. 650. I was hesitant. It's okay. No problem. Boom. 384, 684. Well, we're through that 200, and we're in gap territory. Let's get through 7. Next halt up is 755. This thing's feeling parabolic-y. Uh-oh. Where did I get in at? It's 50. Halt down is 517. And try this wick here. Where are we at on cash? Should probably look at this. Oh, I almost overdrafted. Nope. Oh, yikes! I got a little too far in the zone there. I almost overdrafted. All right, what did I even? End of the day up like $20. So good trading day. This obviously could have been better. Ran out of cheddar here. Ran out of cheddar. I'm happy though. Good day. I was fumbling to try to change windows for this VWAP bounce. I was fumbling to try to change windows on this high of day break here. And then I missed this trade by, I think, a minute. Let's see. Yeah, I took it here. I needed to take it here. So, chickened out on the breakout because I had already, I guess, lost it there and lost it there. Kept both of these tight. So, and then chickened out on the I'm pretty sure I saw green on the tape at 635. And it got up to, of course, 714 on the same candle. Am I saying it would have held till 714? No, absolutely not. I probably would have cut it after like 10 or 20 cents. But, and then tried for just this little wick reclaim here to see if it was going to pop through since it was feeling a little parabolic-y. So I'm happy with the risk I took with those, absolutely. So another green day in the books. That is day numero, I think, 11 green days in a row. So I don't really like counting because I feel like it kind of messes with my psyche. That's 9 days in a row. That's 1, 2, 3. No, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 11 green days out of the last 12 days. So happy with the progress for sure. So spread love, be good to each other. Drop a comment, drop a like. Let me know how y'all did. And we're just going to continue to try to keep the accuracy up, the losses quick, and to start scaling up. And I'm out of here. Peace.